Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learning with Joy. Our phrasal verb for today is cough up. Cough up means to give something reluctantly, especially money or information. It is often used when someone doesn't want to hand over what's being asked for, but does so under pressure. It means that the person is giving something unwillingly or after some resistance. Sentence examples: she had to cough up an extra fee to get her passport processed quickly. I had to cough up a hefty sum for the unexpected car repair. The suspect was forced to cough up the location of the stolen goods. After a long argument, he finally coughed up the rent money.